Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anura. Anura is back with a brand new video, guys. My friend did a wig today. Like, she came back home and told me, Anura, I want to do a wig for you. Do you have some bundles? I said, okay girl, I got some bundles. So I brought out some 2 bundles of 14 and 10 inches of hair and a closure of 10 inches for her to sew me this wig you seen right here. I mean, the wig is so amazing. Look at it from the front. Like, it's so gorgeous. She did a great job. I only just did the trimming and all the rest to make the bob come out so good. So that's what I did about the wig. But for all the other parts, she sewed it and did this great job. So guys, for all those who are interested in seeing how we achieve this wig, just keep on watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. If you're a new viewer, hit that subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get in the freaking video. Going in with this hair, what we'll be needing is we need a closure. Like, we are using a 12 inch of closure. We just watched the closure. Now we'll go with the closure, and we got 2 bundles
of hair.
Brazilian hair.
This is the other one.
Yeah, so these are the 2 bundles. Yeah, 14 and 12 bundles here. So guys, let's just move straight now into the video. So going in with this video, we'll show you how we place in our closure on the mannequin. So she's just going in now in tracing the line. Now she's done with tracing the line. Okay, now she's about to start putting on the closure. I'm so thankful for her. You know, she's just up to like, Anura, please let me help you in creating a wig cap for you.
So guys, it's not that easy. You need to have patience to do this. So in any wig we say, we need to give them thumbs up because you need to have time, or you take patience to do these things.
Okay guys, so we are done with placing the closure. So this is how it's looking. So this is how it's looking like. It's so cute. She did a great job. Like, she did a great job with this closure.
Sure.
So we will go in now with the bundle. So we're gonna start with the 12 inches.
Yeah.
We're gonna start with the 12 inch. So she will just start from the behind. This is the 12 inches.
Okay.
Yeah guys, so now she's just trying to fit in the bundles now. So we are just making our way now with the sewing.
Oh my god, I have done something today.
This is her first week ever. Yeah, so guys, now we are done with the first bundle. You can see my sister is trying out to put on the second bundles. Can you please just turn the hair? Let's see it round. See how it's looking like. Yeah, so that is the hair. We are about to create that nice look. So guys, thank you guys so very much for watching. Yellow girl, continue with your sewing.
Keep watching.
Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not done so.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, give her a congratulations on her first week. Thank you so very much. So we're making our way now into the sewing. So yeah, we are just making our way now through. This is the second bundle. Hopefully the 2 bundles will be enough for this hair. She is doing a great job. Perfect job, guys. So guys, we are just moving forward with the sewing. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if it's your first time stopping by here, and please turn on your post notification so whenever I upload a new video you will definitely be the first person to get it. So we are almost at the end of this tutorial. Almost at the end. Thank you so very much for watching. If you're watching right up to this moment, you are most appreciated. So guys, we are now at the last line, like we are about to close the hair and the closure, you know, so she's just trying to link the two together, as you guys can see.
Guys, it wasn't easy for me, but at last I'm done.
After a long while.
This hair took me like 3 hours.
Really?
Imagine? Yeah,
up to 3 hours.
Seriously, there. It wasn't easy.
So she's just trying to link the two together. As you guys can see, she's taking the wefts and linking it to the closure. So that's what she's doing right here. You know, this part for sewing of this part is very hard because you have to link the wefts and the closure. So it's really hard to pass the needle through the webs and the closure itself. So as you guys can see it, I hope you can figure it out.
All thanks to Anara.
Yes, so girl, thank you too for my new wig. I can't wait to rock this wig out, you know. She's doing a great job. A great job. So now when we are done with this, we just go in styling of the hair. So guys, this is how the finishing look. This is how it looks when she's done with everything. Look at the finishing look. Like, guys, she really did a great job. Like,
Thumbs
I'm
up.
so proud of her, you know.
Thumbs up.
So proud of
wow.
her. Look at
My
it.
God.
It's so nice. So let's go in now with doing the babblies and try to trim the hair. So we'll see you guys. Oh my god, you won't believe what just happened. Look what my friends did to my manicure. Like, she's just get it off. Look at the hair, it's out. Oh my god, and she's laughing, guys. I'm gonna kill her. Like, guys, so now she's about to take off the extra cap. You know, when you're done with your wig cap, you always have to go in and cut this cap, the part that she's about to take off right now. So just watch and see what she is doing. Pardon my friend, you know, she's still a learner, but I know she's really doing a great job. She's trying her best. Okay, thank you all so very much for watching. I love you all so very much. Okay? Yeah, so that's what she's doing. It's almost there. So we are done with, we'll just go in now with the styling. Okay guys, so now my friend is done with everything. This is how the hair turns out. Like, guys, she did a great job with this wig cap. I will go in now in creating my bob. So going in with this, you just have to part your hair this way. Like, I will cut it from here and let this out, and I take the other side of the ear. To get a perfect bob, you just need to comb your hair straight it out right down where you want it to end from your neck. So I'm going in with my mannequin. I'm going in with this, what I'm using right here. So I'll just hold it from here and I swap it just once, like just swap it like this. All of the hair, you must make sure you hold all of the hair. You swap it once. Let's go in now with this. So guys, this is what I got. This is what I am going in for. This is what I'm going in for. So now I will just come now from here. So from this side, I want it to be a little bit longer, so I will take it like this, just a little bit from here. So after this, we are gonna bubblish the hair, and you guys are gonna see the real look that we are going for. I'll just damp the hair a little bit, just a little bit to get it well laid. I will be going in with a middle pattern. So I'm just going in now and straightening the hair. So we just do this all around the hair. Okay guys, so your girl is done. I'm done with everything. Like guys, check this hair out. This is how it is, and this is the in front part of the hair. So I'll just go in now and put some concealer at the line. So guys, this is the final look of this hair. So guys, this is how the hair is right now. Like, I'm done with everything. Thank you guys so very much for watching. What do you guys think about my friend's handwork? Like, how does she do? Like, you guys should give her a score, okay, from 10 downwards. So give her a score. How much did she score? But you all know I am the one who trimmed the hair, but she did the wig, she did everything about. But that's my final look. So I will be trying this week later on, not today. So I will be making another video on how it looked on me. So thank you guys so very much for watching. We love you all so very much. Definitely see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.